Today I decided to look at this car here, North Dakota plates, and I had it for a while. I had a couple of issues on this car, but the agenda was to get it to start. Door lock pump is pumping, so there's definitely some leak in door actuators. Also had issues, doors didn't open. Well, now let's take a look. It's been sitting here since winter and it's springtime already. Yeah, some issues with actual door locks, but actually these doors didn't work also. The soft close seem to work, and it runs very long. So yeah, that is gonna give up. All right. Well, this one opens up. There's some climate control here. Well, anyway, start it up. It's been sitting forever. Yeah, I think I was doing something here. Well, anyway, the point here is this car came misfiring badly and it's been sitting forever. Have some bulbs not shown on the cluster. Well, it started right up. It hasn't run, I would say maybe like a month for sure. Look at the dirt on the windshield, like it's been sitting forever. But nonetheless, it did start, and I'm going to, yeah, it runs pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it by the house and take a look at it. Okay, so now let's take a look at this car. Now it seems that it has 190,000 miles. It's a 92 or 93, don't remember which one. I think it's a 93. So like I said, it didn't start. I mean, it would start but it wouldn't run. So I remember now that I replaced caps and rotors. There was something else, I don't remember what else. Now we have an issue with idle speed. I believe I have another control module, e-gas module. Throttle body, it appears to be a rebuild unit. Back in the days, that's how they used to do rebuilds. I also see that I need a breather pipe here because it's just squashed for now, so we don't have massive air leak. But obviously we have this port open, it has to be closed. AC does not work. The engine runs pretty good actually. Engine mounts are probably dead. Engine mounts are flat, absolutely flat. What else? I know that I have issue with blower. Blower is not yielding a lot of air inside the cabin. Now this door opens now. It didn't at first. Door check makes a little bit of a noise, although it feels tight. Seats move. Now that area right there, there's no radio. I don't know why. Well, I guess there was a reason for it. And door lock pump was bad, I believe. I don't remember about the pump, but I know that I had a problem here with car relocking itself. Actually, you would open it up and then it would relock itself. There was a problem with the alarm. I had to find out what's going on, so it was aftermarket alarm with remote start. It actually was shorted out. I had to cut out that circuit, so we have normal door locking operation. Seat is still lifted to get access to pump, because that's, I believe I rebuilt the pump. I have to look up my notes on this because it's been a while. But first thing I want to do is I actually want to rinse it at least, because this thing looks terrible, really terrible. It's like barn find. That's how I really actually got it. It was just like that. So windshield has a crack to it, by the way. Where's the crack? starts right from here. You can't even see the crack, there's so much dirt. It has a crack to it. So yeah, this is the baseline. Oh, the mirror is broken. This one is cracked, shattered. The other side looks okay, but the mirror adjustment switch is broken, so that I cannot even move mirrors because switch is broken. So yeah, this is where we are. Manual is here. Okay. Tires need air. That I'm going to do right now before I wash it. And yeah, first thing on the agenda with this vehicle will be the blower. And I also want to see if I can get climate control to operate properly. And I also want to see if I can put in some air conditioner, just put some AC, you know, put the vacuum on the system and see what happens. I have machine out right now. Might as well just vacuum it up because it's totally empty. It's absolutely nothing there. And these two things will be the first on the agenda. 93 500 SEL. So I just washed it real quick, rinsed it actually. So couple of good washes and a little bit of a buff, you'll bring it back. It's not really that bad. Anyway, I'm talking about the paint and body. Polishes, yeah, you'll be fine actually. I mean, it's not really that bad. It was so dirty as I couldn't even see it. Now I see the paint, yeah, some scuff marks and what have you. That is probably most of it will go away. I actually did not have enough time to wipe it. I had customer come in, so I had to just let it dry by itself. Anyway, long story short, blower motor. This is a new one, aftermarket, yes, but better than what it was in there before. Screws are not factory, that's how it came. I actually pressure washed the first radiator because there was no airflow. Now there's plenty of airflow. I'm perfectly fine with that. The air cleaner was missing all along, so most likely all this dirt clogged up the radiator. I'm not sure if it's the evaporator or heater core. I think it's an evaporator. So pressure washed it and now it's flowing air because there was no air. There was no air cleaner. There's no air filter at all, cabin filter. So all this dirt went inside, clogged up the radiator. So now it's fine. I'm obviously going to order and install new air cleaner. I actually, as a matter of fact, I might have one in the back. I'll go check it out. So that is that. Right now I'm doing the vacuum. The gauge is off. I'm buying new gauges. These gauges are like whatever, and system will get refilled. AC system will get refilled. At this point, engine runs. Needs some work to be done, but it runs, it drives, and I want to just get some AC going because it's just totally unbearable to be in this vehicle without air conditioner. So once that's done, then we'll see other things.